You've been lied to your whole life. You were told that studying more hours means better grades. That's wrong. The students topping your class aren't studying longer than you. They're studying differently. And in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how, using 3 methods backed by actual science. Here's what you're probably doing right now. Reading the same page over and over, highlighting everything, cramming the night before. And it feels like studying. It looks like studying. But your brain isn't actually storing anything, because there's a massive difference between recognizing information and actually remembering it. Recognizing is seeing something and thinking, oh yeah, I've seen this before. Remembering is closing the book and recalling it from scratch. Exams test memory, not recognition. These 3 methods fix that completely. Method 1. Active recall. After studying any topic, close the book immediately. Don't reread. Don't highlight more. Just try to remember everything you just studied. Write it down. Say it out loud. Your brain will struggle. That's the point. When your brain works hard to pull out information, it marks that information as important and locks it into long-term memory. 20 minutes of active recall beats 2 hours of passive reading. Every single time. Method 2. Spaced repetition. Your brain forgets 50% of what you learn within 24 hours. Cramming everything the night before fights against this naturally. Spaced repetition works with it instead. Study a topic today, review it tomorrow. Again after 3 days, again after 1 week. Each time you review just before forgetting. The memory gets stronger and lasts longer. By exam day, it's locked in permanently without any last-minute panic. 1 hour spread across 2 weeks destroys 6 hours in 1 night. Always. Method 3. Teach it out loud. After studying anything, explain it out loud like you're teaching someone else. No complicated words, simple language only. The moment you get stuck mid-explanation, that's your weak point. You found exactly what you don't actually understand yet. Go back. Study that specific part. Explain again. If you can teach it, you truly know it. If you can't, you only think you know it. And exams will expose that difference immediately. 3 methods. Active recall, spaced repetition, teach it out loud. No extra hours needed, no extra willpower needed. Just a smarter approach to the same time you're already spending. The topper in your class isn't more intelligent than you. They just figured out how learning actually works. Now you know too. Pick one method. Apply it today. Right now in your next study session. Subscribe to Neater Time for a new video every week. And if you haven't watched the focus video yet, watch that next. It changes everything.